mother, leaving me all alone, and now I'm going down slow, going down slow. Where have you gone, sister? To come back no more. I'm planted like a tree. I can't move my feet to follow you. Why do you come, milkman, to deliver out the milk? But now I'm going down slow, going down slow. Why do you come, father, just to break that news? I'm planted like a tree. I can't move my feet to follow you. Mother says that we cannot make the sun stand still, we will make it run. I recall upon reflection how easy it used to be to me. Times and places, different situations, which make some sense to me, just to me.